Question number 15 is, of these vectors, resultant of which cannot be 0. If we consider three vectors, say A, B, C, this is the vector A, this is the vector B, and third vector is C. Their sum can be 0 in only possible condition is that magnitude of A plus B, if we take any two sides, that must be greater than the third side. Similarly, B plus C must be greater than A and C plus A must be greater than B. If these three conditions are satisfied, then the resultant of the vectors will be 0, otherwise it will not be 0. So as per question, if we check the option A, here 2 plus 4 greater than 7, it is false. So it is the possible option. Similarly, if we check B, here 10 plus 10 greater than 12, it is true. Similarly, 10 plus 12 greater than 10, it is also true. And then 12 plus 10 greater than 10, it is also true. So this is not the possible answer. So A is the possible answer, B is not the possible answer. C, 10 plus 20 is greater than 40, it is false. So this C option is also the possible option. And in D, 10 plus 20 is greater than 25, 20 plus 25 is greater than 10, and 25 plus 10 is greater than 20. All these three are true. So this is not the possible answer as per the question. Hence option A and C are the correct option. Question number 16 is, if we take the dot product of A plus B and A cross B, then it will never be 0, always 0, can be 0 if A and B are collinear, and none of this. Collinear means the vector A and B are in same line, or angle between them is 0. Here two vectors are given, A plus B. The sum of vector A plus B, that means their resultant lie in plane containing vector A and vector B. That means vector A, vector B and A plus B are coplanar. Another vector is A cross B, and we know A cross B equal to AB sin theta is the magnitude of the A cross B, and a unit vector n, normal vector, and this normal vector is the vector which is perpendicular to plane containing vector A and vector B. So if we take this point in consideration, we can say that this normal vector is perpendicular to vector A, and this normal is also perpendicular to vector B. Similarly, if we take the A plus B, which is also the coplanar of vector A and B, therefore we can also write n is also perpendicular to vector A plus vector B. Hence, vector A plus vector B with dot product with A cross B will be equal to magnitude of vector A plus B into AB sin theta. Because it is a dot product, so we have to consider the magnitude of first vector into magnitude of second vector and cos of the angle between them. And now the angle between the vector A plus B and vector A cross B will be 90 degree, because A plus B is coplanar with vector A and vector B, while the A cross B has the direction perpendicular to this plane, so angle between them is 90 degree, cos 90 is 0, hence this dot product will be 0. So we can say this product is always 0. So option B is the correct option.